How to use WhatsApp on laptop or PC. First of all, download the WhatsApp. You can open any browser of your choice. Go to the official website of WhatsApp. Click on the search bar and type in whatsapp.com/download/desktop. After that, you'll be able to find this icon for Windows. Click on it. Go ahead, follow through the prompts and download the WhatsApp on your device. Once the WhatsApp is downloaded, open it. You can see over here the WhatsApp has been opened. In order to use the WhatsApp, what you have to do is scan the QR code. Open the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Reload the QR code. Now on your mobile device, what you have to do is simply scan this QR code. Or instead of scanning the QR code, you can also log in with your phone number by clicking on the option Login with phone number. Now you'll be logged into your WhatsApp account. You can start using the WhatsApp now. The process for using is similar to the mobile device. You can simply open any chat of your choice and start chatting. You can click on the message bar, enter your message, press enter in order to send your message. Likewise, you can also simply click on this call icon in order to see all of your calls. You can click on this icon in order to see the status. Likewise, you can click on the option channels in order to see all of the channels and discover the channels over here. If you want to access your account, click on the profile icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various settings options like general, profile, account, privacy, etc. Go ahead and explore these options. So like this, you'll be able to use the WhatsApp on laptop or PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.